Well, Happy New Year, everyone. So, a New Year's here, and people are making their New Year's resolutions and so on. But I would ask you, what about you? Are you going to feel the same way at the end of the year as you did at the end of this last year? Or are you going to look for other possibilities and opportunities that you may be able to do? So, you know my channel, by the way, if you're new here. I'm Dave. This is Retired with Purpose. And you know my channel is all about finding purpose in retirement. So now you're retired or near retirement, and you may be a little bit bored, or you're thinking a little bit extra money might come in handy, might make life a little bit easier. But you're not alone. I get the comments on my channel all the time. People do get bored, and people are afraid that they may come up short on money, or they are tight on money. But again, now the purpose is very important. It gives you a reason to get up in the morning, and you will find that it will enrich your life, it will enrich your retirement, having something for you to spend your time with and concentrate on. So what you really need is the right opportunity. Maybe something that's flexible and realistic for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 4 different opportunities that I use. And I know all these work because, again, I use these things to help give me fulfillment and to give me that purpose. And they're a lot of fun, all of these. And if you're a watcher of the channel, you've seen me talk about these, and I have several different videos about these different subjects. So you may want to look those videos up to get a little bit deeper, in-depth view of these different opportunities. But what I would highly recommend that you do, you don't have to do all these. Just pick one that you're comfortable with. Start small, but get started. By starting something, even if it's small, you will see how it can make a real difference. But I'm going to walk you through these 4 things that I do, and we'll talk a little bit about all of them. But I don't want you to miss the point that that feeling that you have, it's shared by many, and they comment to me on my channel, and they'll send me emails and so on. And once we find opportunities that match up with their personalities, I get absolutely great comments about how it's changing their lives. And it can change yours too. But what are these 4 that I use? And I use these all the time. So the first one is this. It's YouTube. Now, many people think that YouTube is for younger people. It's not. I'll be 71 before too long here. And here I am making videos, hopefully helping you. So with YouTube, there's lots of opportunities that come with YouTube that you need to be aware of. But one of the ones that many retired people can see as a huge benefit of having a YouTube channel is legacy. This life is short. So, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, you're gone. But your kids and your grandkids and maybe your great-grandkids can see you. They can see how grandpa looks or grandma looks, how she talked, how he talked, how he used his hands when he shot videos. They can see that, and that memory is there for them as long as YouTube's out there. But the other thing about YouTube is it's really good about creating income. When I started my YouTube channel, I thought that what it would take was I had to get monetized from YouTube in order to make any money off of it. Guys, that's not true at all. I was making pretty good money on YouTube way before YouTube was ever paying me. And how did I do that? That leads me into the second one. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Don't be taken back by the thought or the wording of affiliate marketing. All it means is that you partner with some company, and the one that most people like to partner with is Amazon because everyone likes to go to Amazon to buy. So if you're an affiliate for Amazon and you send people to Amazon to buy, Amazon pays you a commission. It's that simple. So how many times have you been watching a video where they're describing something? They're describing this glass, and they'll say that the link is in the description below. Guys, that's an affiliate link. So if you go to the link below and click it and go over to Amazon and buy that cup, I get a commission. Or if you go to Amazon and while you're there, you buy anything. The big game's coming on this Sunday or something, and they decide to buy it while they're there, you're going to earn a commission on that big screen TV. So affiliate marketing, I was making really nice money before I was even monetized on YouTube by using affiliate marketing. They just tie in together so easily, and that's a really good source of income. Now, the next one, I talk about all the time. I have lots of videos on it. I enjoy it, and it is a money maker. If you're short on money, if that's the issue, if you're short on money, eBay can take care of that shortfall very easily. And it's fun if you're a treasure hunter. I have a metal detector. It's something in me. I like to go out, and look for old coins, or out on the beach while I'm on vacation and searching to see what someone may drop. Well, if you're a treasure hunter at heart, eBay is a perfect opportunity for you to make some really good income. Now, I have many videos about how to do that on eBay. In fact, a little side note, I actually have a course that's going to be coming up about eBay, start to finish, all the way through, so you can set up your own eBay account and make sales on eBay. But it also gives you purpose. You're up and you're moving, and you go out and you're treasure hunting. You're sourcing is what they call it, and you're looking for those items that you want to resell on eBay. Now, eBay, again, twofold, gives you purpose, and also it's fun. You make sales and you'll see your bank account going up. So eBay's a really good one. Now, if those things don't interest you, YouTube's not something. One of the things about YouTube I want to back up and talk about real quick is people are camera shy. And I get it. I was too. But you do get used to it. You really do. So I would kind of get that out of your mind. On this video, for instance, I get all done with this video, and if I don't like it, it doesn't go anywhere. I don't post it, but if I'm okay with it and I edit it and take out things that I don't like, then I post it. But that fear of being on camera, that goes away really quickly. But if you don't want to do YouTube, let's say, and you don't really want to make any money with affiliate marketing, which YouTube will help you with, or you don't want to go out and find things to resell and sell on eBay, which if you need some money, that's a big mistake in my opinion. There is another one that's very passive. You won't make as much money, but it will give you that purpose of something for you to do, and that's called print on demand. They shorten it up for POD for short. Now, there are people that make some really good money on print on demand, but it is demanding. You need to be making designs that they can put on t-shirts or anything to sell. But those sales come in slowly, but they do build. You can build your business with print on demand. I highly recommend that you look at the 4 that I just talked about. YouTube, legacy, it's fun. This is a fun thing to do. You can make money with it by being monetized on YouTube. You can also make some money with the affiliate marketing, which that led into. You can also get into eBay, which will give you purpose, go out, keep you active, move, and then also earn some money. So it gives you purpose and a chance to earn some money quickly. If you start on eBay, you can quickly make some money. And then the other one is passive, and that passive one is print on demand. But hey guys, it's a new year. Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed this information. If you did, please like and subscribe. Keep in mind that I do have a membership program. Again, I hope you enjoy the new year, and I will see you again soon in my next video.